Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and for today I wanted to share an older limited edition collection by Holo. I have had this collection on my desk for maybe like a couple of months already, and I just ordered it while they had their like 20% discount going on. I think I ordered it together with another collection just to like get up to that $99 or $100 to get the free shipping, because my lord, shipping is expensive and not to mention the taxes. But you know, I've asked you guys on Instagram whether or not you would like me to do swatches of these anyways. I have also just put in an order for some other older collection like the Coastal Creams collection or Cremes collection, and I think there was another one as well, I don't know. But yeah, you guys were really like loving the idea of me doing this anyways, so yeah, here we go. This is the Haute Garbage Capsule collection. It is limited edition. I don't think it is still available, but they might revamp it in the future or maybe have some leftovers and still sell them separately. But it is a 4-piece collection, so this video is a little shorter than usual. And this first one is actually a magnetic one. As you can see, I'm using the magnet that actually came with the collection. This one is called No Smoking. I have to say, this collection, like when it just released, I really wasn't interested. I just thought like it were really like garbage colors, like nothing I would like. But I am actually blown away a little bit by how nice these colors are. I am sure these are not everyone's cup of tea, but the weather has shifted drastically this last week here in the Netherlands. It's gone from like 35, 36 degrees Celsius weather to like only 18 to 20, which is really nice because I am not made for hot weather. But these colors are just perfect to start fall season off with, and I just can't wait for fall season, to be honest. It is my favorite time of year. But No Smoking, it is a beautiful like darker brownie kind of magnetic polish. Of course you can just use it without the magnet as well. It's still quite nice, but the magnetic effect really makes it kind of special and just gives it a little extra oomph. It needed 2 coats to be completely opaque. Then this next one is definitely my favorite of the 4. This one is called Sparkly Shit. I just love the names of these polishes. They just fit really well. This is like a dark brownish greenish poo kind of color, but with a ton of golden holographic glitter in here. It definitely is glitter because I had to scrub it off a little bit more hefty than I usually have to do with like shimmery or other holographic kind of shimmery polishes. But to be honest, I don't really mind it because it is such a beautiful glittery polish. And you guys know me, if it has sparkle, I just love it. Usually instantly. And even though this kind of has like a poo colored base, it is still really beautiful. And especially for fall season or even winter, I think it's gorgeous. Maybe even do like a pumpkin design on this, combine it with some oranges and some dark greens. I think this is a beautiful polish, like on its own, but maybe also as a base to do some stamped nail designs on. I think it is a winner, even though this whole collection had me like taken aback, like this is not for me. I'm really happy that I actually purchased it with the 20% discount. I think I only paid like $47 for this collection compared to the, I think it was $60 originally. So yeah, I'm really happy that I actually got it and that you guys were like curious enough and enthusiastic enough and encouraging me to actually still do this video, even though this collection is sold out. But yeah, you know, I was just like, let's just do it anyways. Next up, the third one out of 4 is Dirty Martini. This one is a very soft holographic, like a linear holographic polish. It is a brownish kind of base. It definitely works really well with the other 3 shades from this collection. It kind of reminds me of like a coffee grounds kind of color. There is like a silver linear holographic effect in here. I didn't feel like it showed up as much as I thought it would, but maybe that has to do with my lighting. I didn't really change anything in my like recording setup, but because the weather is kind of gloomy and dark, I might need another additional light to really show you what this looks like. And also my camera was having such difficulties with focusing. I also think that has to do with like the shift in weather. It's just really dark out at the moment, even though it's like 11 in the morning. But yeah, I don't know. I think it's a nice color. I just wish the holographic effect was a little bit more in your face, if you know what I mean. But yeah, the fourth and final color is called Born Ugly. I don't really like the name of this one because if I really like think about the name, I feel like no one is born ugly, to be honest. Like there could be so much going on with someone, like their facial features or any other features. I just don't think people are born ugly, or animals are born ugly, to be honest. Like everyone has something special. But then again, this polish, I really don't dislike it. It's kind of like a dark brownish, almost like an army green kind of tone. Like there's some olive in here. I don't know. It's kind of like giving me vibes of like a cameo kind of army design. I don't know. I feel like I can do a lot of different things with this. It is actually really, really opaque. I did apply a second coat to make it completely opaque because I just like my manicures to be like solid. But yeah, it's actually a really nice color, but do make sure to wear a good base coat for this one because it might stain the nails due to its darkness. But yeah, this was the entire new video already. Let me know what you think. Have you got this collection yourself? Let me know in the comments down below. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.